Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Now let's take a look at the Bitcoin market. So in general, trading setup discussed last time has been completed on the next day after we have prepared. Not occasionally we warned about taking the only nearest standing targets because the retracement that has happened earlier was too deep and for a normal bullish performance. And we said that if our prediction happens, it probably will be stopped and the nearest targets. And indeed, market has reached just the 110 area, completed only target on the daily chart and the nearest target on intraday charts. So for now, despite all this volatility that we've got in recent few sessions, it makes no big impact on a picture on the weekly and monthly chart. At the same time, we could say that the chances of appearing of this pattern here on the weekly chart is not eliminated yet. So yes, market stands in the tight range. We think that probably it might be the preparation for a challenge and upper continuation, but it's not guaranteed yet. And everything should be resolved in the nearest 1-2 weeks probably, when we will see what the depth of retracement will be, what levels particular market could reach. So that's actually will give us an answer on a question concerning this pattern. And by the things that I see currently on the lower time frames, it seems that the chances for the appearing of the second shortage are rising. Here's why. So actually, if you take a look at the hourly chart, you could see what we have. We said that take a look, maybe market will keep going inside of this triangle until it stands there, keep chance on immediate upward direction. And indeed, market for now still stands inside of it. Trend has turned bearish, and take a look here, we've got the grabber on the daily chart recently. So particularly in the moment where our targets have been completed. So the grabber suggests the drop below these lows. It's around 102, 103. If market will drop below it, it actually could show deeper retracement. So increase the downward action. And we could turn from the triangle consolidation to some kind of the, well, let's call it as a flag or just channel shape, but so you understand what I'm talking about. So that might be kind of the ABCD pattern inside of it. So that's particular what we could get. From that standpoint of view, it seems that the level that interesting stands around 97.60. First fib support, the 38 fib level here. So that's what we could say on a daily chart. On the lower time frame, you could see particular what has happened with this ABCD pattern. Only the COP target has been completed, as we suggested, around 109, and immediately after that, market has dropped. Now take a look. Here's we also could get minor grabber, suggesting drop below these lows, so market could show an extension. And ultimately, if everything goes deeper, because market already stands at the 618 support, if it will break it, here's will be free space until the lows. So if it goes deeper, then the 127 target will be around 97.50, which is perfectly agrees with this fib support. So this butterfly actually might be completed precisely at the trend line and the fib support level. So that's more or less extended target that we have currently on the Bitcoin market. It also, by the way, interesting to see what the downside ABCD target we will get. So for instance, if we will take it all, you see where it stands actually the OP, slightly higher, around 99. So this downside ABCD will stand around 99. So in particular, you could consider both. So first is 99, next is around 97.50, based on the butterfly. So that's what we have here. On the lower time frame, we have minor patterns of the same shape. So for instance, here you already could see it as well. So this might be also the butterfly with the nearest standing target. It will be around 101, but you could see that we're considering only the 127 target. Potentially it also exists the 1618, right? So if we'll take a look at the 1618, it will be around 99 as well. So it agrees with the ABCD pattern inside of the flag. But for now, we're just focused on nearest standing. And here we have tight kind of the triangle. Here we also could recognize very small penny on the potential butterfly pattern as well. So what I would like to say is that in the current situation, personally, I do not want to consider any new longs because the performance here with this, so just take it out to remind you what really has happened. So take a look at butterfly for a moment. So just remind you what would we actually have traded here. It's ABCD pattern. Guided stipple to sell. Market was able to reach only the COP target without any upper continuation. So this type of action tells that probably market has some bearish, light bearish sentiment, and from that standpoint of view, chances on downside continuation seems higher. So besides overall technical indicators shows that the trend remains bearish here. So in market easily could complete and reach at least the 99 area, taking out of those lows, complete the ABCD pattern inside of it with the 99 target. Potentially, as I said, it might be more extension right to the 97 support area on the daily chart in completion of this butterfly. So that's towards what we have.